Alright, so we're outside the vehicle now on the Honda Element. Basically, I have my voltmeter, turned it on DC for direct current. All I'm going to do is put the black lead on the negative of the battery and the red lead on the positive of the battery and see if there's voltage there, which there is not. You can see 0.0. So what this is telling me is there's probably a dead cell in the battery and the battery needs to be replaced. This is something you can do yourself. You can get a voltmeter for 20 bucks at Walmart and check your battery yourself versus $100, for an hour labor at any shop. Hope this video helped you guys, and follow me on Facebook. My page is Auto Initiative, and I'll be posting more videos soon. Thanks, guys.